Hey everybody, Mike here, Mike's Computer Tips. Been working on a lot of computers lately in my business, and if a computer don't start and it's a desktop, the first thing I do is I take the battery off the motherboard and take it out. Every desktop and all in one computer have a little, like a watch battery on the motherboard, and if you take that out and leave it out for 5 minutes, put it back in or change the battery could have went dead, the computer may start right up. So that's the first thing I look at when I'm dealing with a desktop that doesn't start, is the BIOS battery. Very important. You can reset the motherboard by taking it out and putting it back in. That's a very important thing to do if you're dealing with a desktop that doesn't start, or an all-in-one that